Yes, we are going with. Okay, Arvi, you can start recording. You need to see it through. It's a poem. Start first few lines. You can.
When you are up against trouble, meet it squarely face to face, lift your chin and set your shoulders, plant your feet and take a breath. When it's vain to try to dodge it, do the best that you can do. You may fail, but you may quell and see it through.
At the beginning, you heard a poem by अमिताभ बच्चन. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. Here, in this poem, you will have same feeling. When you are up against trouble, meet it squarely, face to face. When, as we know, troubles, difficulties, challenges, they are part of our life. And when we are face to face with them, at that time, first of all mentally as well as physically, be ready. Here in the line said, lift your chin and set your shoulders. Means with body, smile and face. Be ready. Plant your feet and take a breath. Plant your feet, ready to walk, ready to run, whatever is required. Ready to do anything, what you can. When it's vain to try to do it. When it's vain at that time. Sometimes we are fail, but don't worry. Continuously try in different way. Try to find the mistake we made. Whatever the best you can do, continue with this aim. It is possible that as a human being, we make mistakes. But don't repeat the mistake. If you fail, if you are not success, plan. If you are starting, again plan what to do, how to get our goal, or how to lead ourselves during the difficulties and time of challenge. You may fail. It may be possible sometimes you fail. As we have just discussed, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. Sometimes we fail, but we should continue our trying. And once we will conquer, means win. See it. Here, I want to share you a story. Suppose,
It's
no, suppose I am showing you a lemon seed. Keep in mind, a lemon seed. Right now it is not with me, but suppose I show you lemon seed and ask you, what can you see? Many of you will say, there is a lemon seed. You can also say, switch off mic. You can also say, its color, size, shape, etc. But think through it, see through it. How? It is a little lemon seed, but if I try to see through it, then what can I see? Suppose I plant it in my compound hall or nearby place. Care it, look after it, water it. After some times, it will be a small tree. Means there is a small tree or plant inside that seed. Again, wait for some times.
screen share.
Again, wait for some times. Continue caring. You will have a big plant. But that big plant of lemon, it is inside the small or little seed. Similarly,
सर सर शेयर का नहीं करता स्क्रीन.
I am telling a story. You can see a plant of lemon in that little seed. At the beginning, you can see only little seed, but if you see through it, at that time there is a little plant. If you move again ahead, there is a large tree of lemon. After some time, you can see so many lemons in one little seed. So many lemons. Now, if I use all lemons, take out seeds and plant, I would have a garden of lemons. Thousands of lemons. Means see it through. Don't see whatever you can see directly, but try to see through it. What others can you see? Yes, then Khacharia Abha. Nothing. Yes, Silo Honey. Oh, sorry, what is name? Silo Honey. Red. House are Hiral.
Yes, sir.
Red better.
Yes. Black may be the clouds about you, and your future may seem green, but don't let your neighbor desert you. Keep yourself fighting. Try it if the worst is bound to happen in spite of all that you can do. Running from it will not save you. See it through.
Very good. Black may be the clouds about you, and your future may seem green. Clouds, as we know, their color is black. And when we see our problems, our future, at that time sometimes we can see clouds, difficulties, challenge on the way. And because of this challenge, we think our future is not good. There are lots of challenge. It is danger. Whatever the thought comes in our mind.
Sir,
Switch off mic. Switch off mic. But don't let your nerve desert you. Keep yourself fighting. Don't let your nerve desert. Whatever your આપણે જ્ઞાન તંત્ર, whatever your knowledge in your mind, let it to fight yourself. Let yourself to fight against it. Don't think whether I win or lose. Don't think whether I succeed or not. Try continuously and try to fight against challenge or challenge the challenge. If worst is bound to happen, in spite of all that you can do, everything is worst surrounding you in your life. You cannot see the border of worst, though you continue trying to remove it. After one, two, or many try, you will definitely success. Try to do what you can do. Running from it will not save you. See it through. But if we run, it doesn't mean that problem will be solved. If we try to solve it, then the problem will be solved. Suppose you are hungry. You are not trying to eat. You are not trying to cook. You are not trying to purchase food. You are not trying to manage food and escape. You will be hungry forever. But try. Don't run. Try. And you will definitely success. Here Parasivam. Yes, here Parasivam.
yes, sir.
Continue better.
Black may be the clouds about you.
Is over better. Next. Next.
Even hope may seem but futile.
Futile.
Futile. When with troubles you are beset. But remember, you are facing just what another man have met. You may fail, but fall. Still fighting. Don't give up, whatever you do. Eyes front, head high to the finish. See it through.
Very good. Even hope may seem but futile. In every condition, we have a little hope that it might be possible. And this hope and our effort lead us to solve problem, lead us to success. When with troubles you are beset, whenever we are in trouble, we have a hope on our elders. Suppose at home, you have hope on your father, mother, uncle, elders, brother, sister, etc. Then God will do something, help me. So your hope, it is the way by which you can reach to the success. Never leave hope. You may fail, as at the beginning I told, sometimes we fail. But we should try continue. Try our fighting continue. Don't give up whatever you do. Never give up our vision. Never give up our goal. Suppose you think I want to be some particular position. It may be possible sometimes you fail. Suppose you are going with IAS exam, government officials. At first effort you may fail. Don't worry. Try second time. And keep in mind what the mistakes you have done in the first effort. Try to remove the mistakes. Try to remove that error. And continue with new planning, new effort, and well planning. You will definitely win. Eyes front, headlight, eye to finish. Whatever you do, eyes front, keep in your eyes, keep in your mind. Whatever the headlight means vision, light, give the light of your thoughts for new ideas. And this way you can see it through. After it, you will have best. This way, the poem is over. Before we move towards exercise, any question from your side? Okay, then we are moving ahead. First question with answer. Dhirvani Mahak,
Yes, sir.
did better first question with answer.
Okay. What should we do when we are up against trouble? Answer.
Write this.
Are against
Not
up
now,
against
I will send. Continue better.
trouble, meet it squarely face to face, lift our chin and set our shoulders, plant our feet and take a brass when it swings. To try to dodge it, do the best that we can do. We may fail, but we can continue.
What should we do when we are up against the world? As we have just discussed, trouble is part of life. Difficulties are part of life. And every day, our life, we have lots of challenge. As a children, you have a little challenge. When you will grow, you will have more harder challenge. So, during those days, or during the time of troubles, what should we do against it? Description is given. When we are up against trouble, meet squarely face to face. Don't leave the trouble, but face to face, dare it. Lift your chin and set your shoulders, means with mind as well as body. Be ready to fight with it. When it's meant to try to do it, do the best then we can do. Sometimes we fail to solve that problem, to remove the trouble, but try again. You will definitely conquer. Conquer means win. This way, in short, if you want to say during the trouble time, what should we do? Physically as well as mentally. Try to solve our difficulties and be positive with smiling face. It may be possible once we fail, but don't worry. If we try again and again, we will definitely success. Very good. Now,
read.
no one will switch on mic.
Sir,
No one switch on mic. Yes, Ravani Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Better read question and answer.
Yes. What should we do? Will our future
May
machine
Grim.
game? We, when our
Future
future game machine game don't
very good. Let our
let our near
nerve
nerve
desert
desire us keep
ourselves
ourselves fighting
dream.
dream.
Yeah. The question is, what should we do when our future may seem grim? Future may seem full of cloud, full of challenge, full of difficulties. What should we do during the time when our future seems grim? At that time, don't let our nerve desert. Think properly. Be positive. Keep ourselves fighting dream. Means whatever the difficulties, keep ourselves busy to fight with it, and try to remove the challenge or difficulty or whatever the dream we can see in our future or in face of us. Next, fill in the blanks. First blank. Okay, first two blank.
Sir, I can write in the blanks in textbook.
Gadvi Viraj.
टीचर सर फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स आप हमको इसमें इसमें लिखनी है नोटबुक में या फिर टेक्स्ट बुक में
नोटबुक में. Yes, Gadvi Viraj.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
सर सेट द पीडीएफ
Gadvi
sir,
Viraj read.
Okay, sir. You may fail, but fall. Still fighting. Number second. You may fail, but fall. Vain.
Very good. You may fall, but you may fail, but fall, still fight. When we fail or fall, continue to fight. You may fail. Just a minute, it is need to improve. Did not change. When it is when to dog it, do the best you can.